Have you ever seen ETC written in English? What is it and how do you use it? Well, let's talk about this very common abbreviation in English, etc., or a lot of people pronounce it etc. So do I. So you might have seen it in writing or heard it in conversation, and you wondered, what does this mean? Well, etc. stands for et cetera, which is a Latin phrase meaning and other things or and so on. So we use etc. when we want to suggest that there are more items on a list and we don't want to name them all. So it's a good way to save time and avoid repetition. For example, you might say, I need to buy some fruit like apples, oranges, bananas, etc. So here we use etc. to show there's more fruit that you could buy, but you don't want to list them all. Now, let's talk about etc. in writing versus speaking. In writing, you use etc. at the end of the list to indicate there's more similar items. So just remember, use a comma before etc. if it's the part of the list. Another example is we need to pack our clothes, toiletries, snacks, etc. for the trip. And when we're speaking, we often say and so on and so forth instead of etc. So this is because etc. can sound a little bit formal or technical when you're speaking. So you could say, I need to buy apples, oranges, bananas, etc. Or you could say, and so on, or and some other fruit, and some other things. There's many ways to indicate you need more on the list. But when we're writing, a lot of times you'll see etc. So I hope this helped. Make sure to follow and like this to see more videos from us about English tips.